Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are going to draw a sketch of a person from a perspective as seen from the bottom, like going toward the top. And it's an action pose. So we will just put down a perspective frame. So something that's big and going small like that. That is our point where we're going to draw the person either coming down or just like maybe jumping. Now we have other videos in which we have featured a person doing just such a thing, but this is a slightly different angle, and there's many angles that we can exploit and utilize. So that would be the collar and chest area right there, and an arc is absolutely necessary. There's the delt framework and the chest. The head is necessarily hunched deeper in because the person is looking down. You might as well look up, but he's looking down in this case, and we will explore, I guess, both options if it doesn't get too messy, that if he's looking up as well. So there's the ab structure, and then really increased belt and groin area there. So if you just have arcs like that, that's one big foot right there, and similarly one big foot right there. So kind of looking like a person coming down. So the foot is first. Give him boots, or he has just like bare feet, it doesn't matter. One might be a little larger than the other, it's okay, because we are in the midst of the action, and it gets more dynamic. And it's more dynamic, there are variations. So there's the knee, the shin and the calf, and thigh going backward. Customarily the glute area is like shown like this. And similar exercise here. So essentially we have the knee coming down like that, not like going that way, and it blends in better that way into the framework. And we have the shin, calf going into the heel, the ankle and the heel, and there is the leg framework in place. I'm going to bring everything down a little bit more so that there's more perspective going there. There's the chest arc, there's the delt, side of the body going up, and of course we have the head with the eyes somewhere around there, and nose there, maybe a furious brow because there's some action going on. We haven't done anything with the arms yet, but we'll do that in a second. So the arms are behind that leg, so one very conventional way of handling this is that way. And similarly here, so we have to imagine that it's going back. There's the elbow somewhere, and we have the other hand placed right there, and customarily a fist is always more effective in this. Okay, so we can have him look up, which means there's the chin going upward, head like that, and bridge of the nose right there. Hope like that's visible. Mouth, ears will be shown like that, and of course we can just throw in some shade there and show that the person is like looking up. And we can also have this going. We could have this other leg come like down, same exercise. There's the foot nice and big, and it will be bigger because now it's closer to our view, and hence the perspective lines that we put in. And going in to the heel, there's the calf, there's the shin, thighs going backward, and there. So one leg coming down, and which would of course unveil the arm going back up like that. So there's that other option we have, and both of them will like look dynamic. Now we can also have the arms placed differently. I will try to grab a different color, but like it really works this way. I think it's very customary in this type of action pose to have the arms like, you know, going this way. We can also of course do this, so that's, you know, like the person is like jumping down, and we can either have a closed fist going that way, or we could have open hand, and the same exercise of course goes on the other end. We can extend the arm, and in this case try the open hand. But that works better. So all those different and wondrous options. And we could also, like, let's say that we have to show a framework where the person is like looking at this person like on a glass on a glass roof or something, and there's some action going on where he's like, you know, trying to like wind up for a punch. You could also have the head like, you know, turn that way like this, so looking with that shape like that. There's the eyes, there's the bridge of the nose, and I know that it's quite messy right now, but we will clean this up in a second with our customary black lines. So let's actually stick with our primary frame that we chose to go with, and it is most customary in this, and works really well actually in this type of action. And there's the person looking down, there's the fist on the side, enlarged leg, and there we have it. Again, choosing that coinciding fist. So please do try it out. Also check out our other videos with this type of perspective. We have quite a few, and we hope that some of them are helpful. So we put out content every day, so please subscribe, keep in touch. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.